Alright guys, I just want to see if I can get this thing to take off outside without using the app. I didn't want to do it in the house. Okay, so I'm going to see if the video will record too. Okay, so it's a muddy mess out here, guys. I'm not doing anything, and it's windy as hell too, so I just wanted to see if it'll actually work. And if the video recording, I have no clue, okay? No clue at all, but we're gonna find out. Oh, okay, so it wants to come down. No, I don't know. I just wanted to see if it would fly, that's all. If it would fly without the app. And it does. But it's windy and it's muddy and it's shitty, okay? I mean, it's the whole shooting match. It's everything, okay? Yeah, you have to hold this button in. You have to turn this one red and this one green to be able to take it off like that. That's what overrides the GPS. Okay, I got that off. So yeah, this is what overrides the GPS. So when you start it up, when you start this thing up and then you turn on the transmitter, wait till they bind, and when they do that, the lights in the back will be green. When you first turn them on, they're blue. Then they'll come on and they're green whenever it gets bound to this. Then you have to hit that. That overrides the GPS. So when that light's red, then the GPS is overridden, and then you could just arm the motors up like that and take off. That's how you do it. So, all right, guys. Adios.